So y'all doing anything over the summer?
Make sure my nose isn't broken.
No, none that I know of.
But I was thinking.
It's so quiet up here. Does anyone have any music?
I did.
It's a hot one out there, ladies and gents, and what a perfect way to start the summer with this banger of track from J Money called Summer Jammy Jam.
You walked in and I thought, here we go.
Another J Money song?
I would rather die than have to listen to this stupid J Money song.
That's right, people. A grand prize of being a radio host for the day. All you have to do is upload why you think you deserve to win and get people to vote for you.
The first thing I would do is ban all J Money songs for life.
Wait, that's actually a good idea.
I mean, J Money does have some good songs.
What? Not that. Us. Getting our voices heard.
No one wants to listen to us.
Finn, you're hilarious, and you could talk for days.
That seems like a backhanded compliment.
And Ophelia, you're smart and good with details and techie stuff, and I know good music.
And exactly what would we call it?
Suburban Sound. I think we're ready.
I hope so.
You. Can we help you?
Right over you guys are in the video competition.
I don't think that concerns you.
I think it does, because when we win, the first thing I'm going to tell the world is how much Maxine Gray is always second to me. Come on, guys. We have a competition over.
You okay? Okay, Finn, give me my check.
Was that good?
I just like you from time to time.
Thanks.
Okay, are we ready?
Yes.
All right, give us a countdown.
3, 2, 1.
The time has come. You are now tuned in to Suburban Sound. My name is Max, and this is my co-host.
What? I haven't eaten in days.
You eat all the time. Just tell the world, man.
Hello, my name is Finn. I like long walks on the beach and chicken nuggets.
Okay, and this is our engineer, Ophelia. Now, we love music, and we believe that the world is overpopulated with the J Moneys of the world.
I know J Money's real name is Bob O'Reilly. It doesn't even start with a J.
My point exactly. There's a lot of fakes in the mainstream that don't understand the meaning of rock. And if you vote for us, we will bring you the music you need to heal your soul.
And if you vote for us, you can win a free bike.
What? No.
You heard me correctly, world.
No, but we are three misfits from the suburbs who love music, and I promise we will be number one.
And we are out.
How's that?
Okay, what place are we in?
Let me check. We are in second place.
That's awesome.
Who's in first?
Let me check. Electric Ave.
No, it can't be.
What do you mean? It's pretty impressive we got second.
No, I refuse to be second again.
But what's the problem? It's the fun that we had doing it.
No, we need to hit the streets harder. Make more TikToks and hand out flyers. I can't lose to Jasper again.
Max, we're tired. We've been at it all day.
You don't understand how much this means to me. This is my chance to beat Jasper. Finally, I'm tired of being second.
But what about us?
There's no
No,
time.
Max. Us. It's been us this entire time. The three of us. These fans, they don't know who you were before, and they don't know who you are now. None of us do.
Ophelia.
Let me go, Max. Let me go.
You know what? That's fine. I don't need either of you. I can get number one all on my own.
So, what is the most important thing y'all have learned over your 20 years of being bandmates?
Oh, that's easy. It's no matter what comes our way, or difficulties that we face, at the end of the day, if all the fame and money disappeared, our friendship, our bond, that's what makes us family.
Wow, that's powerful. Y'all stay tuned. We will announce the winners of Radio Host for a Day contest.
Hey,
Came to yell at us more?
no, I came to apologize. Ophelia, I'm sorry. You were right. The podcast was never just about. It was never just about me. It was about us. Not about being Jasper or being number one. It was about the three of us having fun with my best friends, and I made it about me. And I'm sorry.